Today I am going to show you how to turn any earphone no headset into a Bluetooth earphone no headset. To do this, we need a small gadget. First of all, let's unbox the package. This is an audio Bluetooth receiver. You can turn any earphone no headset into a Bluetooth earphone or headset from this gadget. This package also included a USB cable for charging, 3.5mm male-to-male AUX cable, and a user manual. Connect the earphone or headset first with the 3.5mm plug to the device 3.5mm audio interface. To turn on the device, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. And then blue LED light will flash. It means device is ready to connect. Now you can start searching for the device with your phone. You can search the Bluetooth name. Click it once you found it. You will hear Bluetooth is connected if the pairing is successful, and the blue and red light will flash slowly. The device must be charged at least 30 minutes before use. Full charge can be used up to 4 to 6 hours. Full charging time is 50 minutes. Receiving distance is 10 meters.
So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and comment in this video. Don't forget to subscribe us and click the bell icon to see our videos soon as we upload.